Hello again. I've got my Lurella subscription box, so let us unbox it. There's the card. We'll go over that at the end. Here's a bucket makeup bag. I really wanted to do a look today with this, but I think I might go back outside again and try to get some stuff done. There's a little round bag. I had an adventure yesterday with the lawnmower. First it wouldn't start. The bar that you pull back wouldn't move. So I messed, here's a strap. So I messed with the bar and it started. And then when I was done, it wouldn't turn off. I tried everything. I had to stand there and wait until it ran out of gas. So that was fun. So I'm gonna have to figure a way to get it fixed or something. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about just buying a new one because before that there were some other issues, like with the I think my husband called it timing and spark plugs. And here's a liquid lip. It's very pretty. It's called Alex. Let me see. We'll do a swatch. Looks like a raspberry color, which I love raspberry. Very pretty. And we've got 2 brushes. I'm glad it's not a full set this month. I was going to try to get them out, but Lord, those are big. We've got Lurella lashes. Let's see. Get them out of here. Wow. Semi-easy. See how long those are? Jeez. Here's some Everlasting Eyelash Glue, clear. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Because we all know how much problems I have with eyelash glue. And here's the palette. Lurella Fest. This is what I've been looking forward to. Okay. Never like to, there we go. I was gonna say mess up the sleeves, but sometimes you have to. Oh, neat. I didn't know it was 2. That's neat. Pretty. Okay, and we got stuff in here too. Oh, a mirror. It's kind of neat. And this is the side that I'm really loving. This one. I love those colors. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know, I might try to get a look done in probably tonight if I'm not too tired from all the yard work, but I think I can manage. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. I thought it was only, 1 palette. That's nice. Love that. I am never ever disappointed with their stuff. Okay, the eyeshadow palette is valued at $21. The clear glue, $9. The bucket bag, wow, really? Dang, $25 for that. Jeez. Liquid lip, 10. I love that color. Colorful eyelash, 12. Is that the name of it, or? I was gonna see if it had color on it. And individual brushes, valued at 11. And the box value is $88. And I paid $32 for it. So well worth it. Just for that palette alone, if you ask me. I love that. I love this side too, but this is my favorite right here. Wow, okay, I can't wait to do something with that. Let me just look at these. I want to see if they have color, because I know there's a lot of eyelashes out there where they do colors and stuff. It didn't look like it, but oh, okay. Well, I don't know. I was expecting color. That's kind of like kind of orangey, I guess. Would have been pretty with like purple, and of course everything to me purple. The more the better. Okay. Well, thank you for joining me, and I'm gonna go get in some yard working clothes and get busy. I'll see you later.